Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to accept all suggestions in Grammarly. To accept all Grammarly suggestions at once, use the following step depending on the version you are using. First of all, log into Grammarly. Open the Grammarly desktop app if you have installed it. You can open the document you want to edit in Grammarly. After that, you can review the suggestions. Grammarly will show the suggestion throughout the document with underlined words and phrases. On the bottom right corner of the screen, you can check the overall score. If available, see an option to accept all in the sidebar. Check this to apply all of Grammarly suggestions throughout the document. Otherwise, you can simply click on Accept button. Grammarly may not support accept all in every platform. For example, browser extension. In such case, manually accepting each suggestion is currently the only option. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.